Bulats reading test. In Bulats, we have three options to choose of exams. In this case, we need to choose online reading. Then, you have an explanation of what you need to do in the reading exam.
In the writing test, you have 45 minutes to complete two tasks, an email and a report or letter. In the email, you need to write approximately 15 words following the titled instruction you will receive. The topic of the email could include a wide range of topics, such as responding to a customer's complaint or accepting an invitation to a meeting. For the second task, you can choose between writing report, for example, describing the result of the last year's sales, or writing a letter, for example, to propose a venue and some events for a conference, both of which should be approximately 200 words.
You will need to do what the two questions tell you to do, using grammar, vocabulary, and functional language that is complex, accurate, easily understandable, and has the right level of formality. First, underline important words in the question as you read it. 2. Make sure you include absolutely everything that is mentioned in your answer. 3. Make sure your answers are within the number of words given for each task. 50 to 60 words for bullets reading part 1 and 180 to 200 words for part 2. The questions in bullets are written in British English, so you might need to be aware of the difference between British and American Business English to understand the question.
Genre. Show very clearly that you understand the difference between a report and a letter by putting a title and section heading in a report and not heading in emails or letters. Learning typical phrases for starting and ending emails and reports at several levels of formality, and use the most complex suitable one that you know. Make sure you know the difference between a conclusion and a summary and can write both. There will necessarily be one report and one letter in part 2, so you definitely need to know how to do both. Learn at least 6 typical sentences for opening emails, closing emails, opening reports, and starting conclusion. Summarize. Thank you.